Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to add any of the materials for any 3D model in your Unreal Engine 5. Now you can see I have so many types of different materials. I just drag and drop, and then it is going to replace the material or just add some material. This is the gold, copper. Alright, so I'm going to show you the step-by-step from beginning how to add, how to get the material, and how to find the material. Everything starts from beginning. Alright, by default your Unreal Engine 5, it doesn't have the content browser once if you created a model, something like this. Alright, next, now you can see you have to go to the window, content browser, open up the content browser. Then I have a 3D model I just imported just now, a model 02. I drag and drop. You can see this 3D model, it doesn't have any of the material. In Unreal Engine 5 project, you have a contents. Go back to the contents. These are the folders. Then you can go to the starter contents. The materials is at here. Double click. Now you can see some of the default materials that are already embedded inside this project. You can just add any of the material to here. Drag and drop, everything is easy. Then drag and drop as well. Now you can see you already changed the patterns, change the material. For example, some stones, brick, etc. Now if you try to play, you can see your 3D model already have the materials. Right. Let's say if just now, if you put the grass like this, then try to play, you can see this is a grass stair. It's pretty easy. Just by using the default materials, you can just set up the material for any of your 3D model. Let's say if I go back to the contents, I go to the starter. Here I go to find some props. Let's say I have this chair. Drag and drop this chair to here. Then it is preparing the shader. Just need to wait for a while. This is the default chair. What about if you want to change the material? Just back to the starter contents here. Go to the material. Go to find some. Let's say the grass moss. Just drag and drop. It is going to change now. You can see. What about if you want to have a golden chair? Just drag and drop. It will become a golden chair. See, pretty easy. Right, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to set up, how to add the materials for any of the 3D model in your Unreal Engine 5. And for this project, this is a third-person game project. It already have all of this material. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.